advisory in effect from noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. What? Peak heat index values of around 100 degrees expected. Where? Erie, Hancock, Lucas, Ottawa, Sandusky, Seneca, and Wood counties. When? From noon to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Try to limit strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke.